Well, new today, Bowling Green State University is now paying out the largest settlement in the state's history in a hazing case. The parents of Stone Foltz and their attorney announced today that they have reached a record $2.9 million settlement with the university. The family filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the school back in June 22, claiming it was responsible for Foltz's hazing death in 2021. This was after Foltz attended an event at an off-campus fraternity house. At a news conference in Columbus today, Foltz's parents and their lawyer announced the settlement, but made it clear that nothing would bring back their son.
Obviously, the money has nothing that means anything to us because it's not going to bring Stone back.
To this day, we hear stories of Stone and how he's touched other individuals. So I think he would be very proud that we're continuing his legacy by helping others.
Well, the Foltz family and Bowling Green State University are forever impacted by the tragedy. You're seeing a statement here that was released by the Foltz family in regards to this settlement. They said Stone's death would remain an important part of anti-hazing efforts for years to come. And I think one of the most surprising thing about this is we've seen so many of these hazing deaths in the past.
That's what I was going to say.
And I'm a proud graduate of Bowling Green State University. I don't understand how this continues to happen. Why don't we have mandatory classes that every pledge needs to take? You have to watch 2 hours of video, 4 hours of video on the dangers of hazing and the history of hazing and how this continually happens through time as a cautionary tale so it doesn't happen again.
And you hit it on the head because sometimes I think maybe it's just because we are in this business, so we report on so many of them. So we feel like, well, this is well known, right? But I'm wondering if it is. And if these kids know, I would think that the Pan-Hellenic Council, I know that they've got some mandatory, edicts that they have for them. And where are they in this process in terms of handing down some consequences? And it's baffling at this point. It's just baffling.
Young people and more young people with alcohol is a volatile mix.
Yep.
And we've seen it time and again. And I'm glad this family at least has closure with this settlement now. But as they said, their son is not coming back. Nothing will change
the money
that.
doesn't mean anything. It
No.
really doesn't. But they'll do something really good, obviously, with it.